Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Product. Today we're checking out the Best Electric Citrus Juicer, a compact, powerful tool for fresh, healthy juice. If you love starting your day with a glass of natural citrus juice, this might be the perfect gadget for you. Let's get started. Product features: healthy and pure juice. First things first, why choose a citrus juicer at all? The Elite Gourmet ETS 623 is designed to extract pure juice directly from your fruits. No additives, no preservatives, and definitely no extra sugar. This means you're getting every bit of natural vitamin C, enzymes, and nutrients straight from the source. It's a great way to start your day on a healthy note. 24-ounce juice capacity. Next up, let's talk capacity. This juicer can hold up to 24 ounces of juice, which is about 2 to 3 servings. Perfect for a family breakfast or juicing for later. The built-in pouring spout and handle make it easy to serve without spills, while the strainer ensures a smooth, pulp-free experience. If you like pulp, no worries. Just remove the strainer and you're good to go. Compact and lightweight. One thing we really love about the ETS 623 is how compact and lightweight it is. It's ideal for small kitchens, dorms, apartments, or even RVs. The sleek design doesn't hog counter space, and you can easily tuck it away in a cabinet when not in use. Plus, moving it around is a breeze thanks to its light build. Simple and smart operation. The auto-reversing electric reamer makes juicing practically effortless. All you have to do is press the fruit down on the cone. The motor kicks in and starts extracting juice. Release, and it stops. It's intuitive, beginner-friendly, and more efficient than manual juicing. The reversing action helps squeeze out every last drop, which is great if you're using smaller fruits like lemons or limes. Easy cleanup. We know no one wants to deal with messy cleanup after making juice. That's why the Elite Gourmet ETS 623 is such a time saver. All the detachable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup fast and hassle-free. You can enjoy your juice and forget the mess. Pros: pure, natural juice with no additives. 24-ounce capacity. Compact and lightweight. Auto-reversing reamer for max juice. Dishwasher-safe parts. BPA-free and ETL/FDA certified. Cons: not ideal for large batch juicing. Only suited for citrus fruits. No variable speed or pulp control settings. Final thoughts. If you're looking for a simple, reliable, and compact citrus juicer for everyday use, the Elite Gourmet ETS 623 is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for quick morning juice, super easy to clean, and small enough to fit in any kitchen. Great for beginners or anyone looking to boost their vitamin intake without extra fuss. Check the price using the link in the description. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss more great product reviews right here on Best Product. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.